think GI has a lot of different cancers in there, and they all behave quite differently. So you've got some colorectal that we can use immunotherapy quite successfully, and we've got some cholangiomas that we can use targeted therapy quite successfully. And I think just that diversity really makes it enjoyable, and it's like being able to see all these different molecular types of tumours and treat them all very differently. And I think that's what essentially keeps us going if we're interested in what we do. What you can do with these sort of trials is you can just give people hope that maybe it is a better opportunity, and maybe they will get access to things, and sort of that is really enough, I think, for all of us when we're involved in the trial, just being able to recruit patients and maybe making their cancer story a little bit better. I think what will end up happening, and what will also be interesting, is being able to get more tumour samples from patients throughout the course of their disease. So the benefit, I guess, of having a biopsy tissue is if you treat patients with neoadjuvant chemotherapy, then we're going to be able to see at the get-go what sort of factors may have led to a good response versus a poor response. And similarly, we get able to test their biopsy material and compare it to their surgical sample and see if there's any changes that occur throughout the course of the tumour, either in patients that have really minimal disease or in patients that have had no response to chemotherapy whatsoever. Agatha Christie, easiest question. She is the best author of all time. Shakespeare's not as good as her. And she is a genius. She's just written so many books. I have so many questions for her every time I reread a book. Yeah, it would be Agatha Christie for sure. Definitely hot chips. They're terrible for you, but I just love them for the rest. Medicine is quite a long slog from the beginning to training and everything, and just the fact that I'm here and I'm still interested and still loving what I'm doing, and have got to where I am, where I get to do what I love, is probably the greatest achievement.